The error 0x0000141. Application was unable to start correctly. Usually occurs when there's a problem with a program or file on your computer, often related to missing system files, corrupt settings, or issues with the software itself. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you fix the error. 1. Restart your computer. A simple restart can resolve many issues, including this one. If you haven't done so already, restart your PC and check if the error persists. 2. Run System File Checker, SFC. This tool scans and repairs corrupted system files that might be causing the issue. Press Windows key plus X and select Command Prompt, Admin, or Windows PowerShell, Admin. In the command window, type the following command and press Enter, bash copy sfc/scano. Wait for the process to complete. It might take some time. Once done, restart your computer. 3. Run DISM command. The Deployment Imaging Service and Management Tool, DISM, can fix corruption errors that SFC cannot. Open Command Prompt, Admin, again. Type the following command and press Enter, Swift copy, DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Allow the process to complete and restart your PC. 4. Check for Windows updates. Ensure your system is up to date with the latest patches and updates. Go to Settings greater than Update and Security. Click Check for Updates. Install any available updates and restart your computer. 5. Reinstall the affected application. If the error occurs with a specific application, try uninstalling and reinstalling it. Open Control Panel and go to Programs, Programs and Features. Find the application that's causing the error, right-click it, and select Uninstall. After uninstalling, reinstall the latest version of the software from the official website. 6. Update or reinstall graphics drivers. A corrupted or outdated graphics driver can cause this error. Open Device Manager by pressing Windows plus X and selecting Device Manager. Expand the Display Adapters section. Right-click on your graphics card and select Update Driver. If no update is found, visit your graphics card manufacturer's website, e.g. NVIDIA, AMD, Intel, and download the latest driver for your card. If updating doesn't work, try uninstalling the driver and then reinstalling it.